So Aabot 12, derive the Fourier transform. A0 is equal to 1 over 2L from negative L to L, then fx dx is equal to, substitute lang. Substitute the 1, then 0.5 over negative 1, then substitute the 1 dx plus 1 over 0.5 to 1 pala, then negative 1 dx. Next, nilabas natin si 1/2, then the derivative of the integral pala from negative 1 to 0.5 dx minus 0.5 to 1 dx, since 1 yung ano niya, negative, since negative yung 1, labas si 1/2, then calculate natin yung derivative niya, x 0.5 negative 1, then minus x 0.5 1, negative 1 pala to. Next is equal to, labas ulit si 1/2, then ito magiging 0.5, since substitute lang. Next, minus negative 1, since negative 1 substitute sa x, then minus 1 substitute lang, negative 1 pala, hindi 1 lang, negative 1 magiging 0.5, since substitute lang 5, then magiging 1/2 0.5 minus negative 1 again, bring down, minus 1 minus 0.5, then simplify, magiging 1/2 magiging 1.5 kasi magiging positive yan, minus 0.5 kasi 0.5 minus 1 is equal to 0.5. Next, 1/2 magiging 1/2 na lang siya, hindi pala, magiging 1/2 times 1 kasi 1/2 minus 0.5 magiging 1, 1/2 times 1 magiging 1/2. So this is our A0. Next, calculate the AN. Calculate the AN. Next, we need to calculate AN is equal to 1 over L. Formula for AN is L from negative L to L, then f of x cos pi n x over L dx. Next, substitute the value of x, which is 1, then from negative 1 to 0.5, substitute the value of 1 cos pi n x over 1, substitute the value of 1 dx, plus the derivative of 0.5 to 1 negative 1 cos pi n x over 1 dx. Next, 0.5 negative 1 to 0.5, simplify na lang to, magiging cos pi n x dx minus, kasi negative 1 0.5 to 1 magiging negative cos pi n x dx. Cos pi n x dx is equal to sin pi n x. Pi n x over pi n, which is yung integral niya, 0.5. Then, negative 1. Integral naman itong isa, which is ito, magiging sin pi n x 1 and 0.5. 0.5 to 1. I mean, like that. Next is equal to, magiging, i-substitute na natin yung mga values. Then, sin pi n x is 0.5. Then, pi n, since ito yung constants niya, minus negative 1 na naman. Kasi ito yung nasa baba. Sin pi n x, which is negative 1 over pi n minus sin pi n x is 1, since 1 ito, pi n minus sin pi n 0.5, since 0.5 ito, over pi n minus yan. Next is simplify na. Pag simplify nito is magiging sin pi n 0.5 magiging sin pi n over 2, since 0.5 times pi n is equal to pi n over 2, minus negative sin pi n over pi n minus sin pi n, simplified nito pi n minus sin ganito lang din 0.5 magiging pi n over 2 pi n. Then pag input natin to sa calculator, magiging 0 ito. So ang may iwan na value is itong sin pi n over 2 pi n plus, kasi negative ito, magiging positive, so magiging positive siya. Next, sin pi n over 2 pi n, then simplify the value, magiging 2 sin pi n over 2 over pi n. This is our an. Last but not the least, bn is equal to, formula ng bn is 1 over l, from negative l to l, fx sin pi nx over l dx. Hindi makita pala. Yan. Kita na. So, next is equal to, substitute the values, 1 over 1, which is value ng x natin, value ng l natin, from negative 1 to 0.5, 1 sin pi nx, value ng l natin, which is 1 dx plus 1, 0.5, value ng ating l, ng ating fx pala, I mean. Next, pi, and x, value ng x natin, and value ng l natin, which is 1 yan, 1 dx. Next, from negative 1 to 0.5, magiging sine pi n x dx. Simplify natin to, magiging ganyan. Next, from 1 to 0.5, sine pi nx dx is equal to yung integral nila. Integral ng sine is cos, which is magiging cos pi nx over their constant, which is pi n, from negative 1 to 0.5 minus, it's negative, minus negative cos pi nx, derivative niya is cos, ng sine is cos, kalagin ko siya variable constant 0.5 to 1. Next, substitution natin. Substituting the value, cos pi n x dx over pi n and x is 0.5 pala yung x, lagyan natin yan, minus cos pi n negative 1 pi n, then magiging next is cos pi n 1, which is 1 pi n, then minus cos pi n value ng x, which is 0.5 constant na pi n, then next simplify na, negative cos pi n x, which is 0.5 magiging plus kanina over 2 pi n minus cos pi n minus naging negative cos pi n over pi n and negative cos pi n over 2 pi n. Then pag i-input natin to sa calculator, ito tsaka ito, magiging zeros yung answer nila. So ika-cancel out na natin yan sila kasi magiging 0 na yung answers nila. Next is yung naiwan lang is itong dalawa, so magiging positive ito kasi meron siya negative na sign. Ito magiging positive siya, kaya magiging cos pi n plus, since magiging positive siya, so cos pi n over pi n is magiging, simplify, magiging 2 cos pi n over pi n. So this is our Bn. So the main formula of our Fourier series is f of x is equal to a0 plus from 1 to infinity an cos pi nx l plus bn sin pi nx over f. Next, substitute yung mga nakuha nating values plus, okay, looking good, 2 sin pi n 2 pi n cos pi nx over 1 plus yung nakuha natin na bn 2 cos pi n sin pi n x over 1. Next, simplify. Lalabas natin si 1/2 since nasa labas na siya. And then ang gagawin natin, ano ganito gagawin? I-merge natin. Kukuha tayo ng kanilang least common denominator. So magiging 2 sin pi n 2 cos pi n x over pi n plus 2 cos pi n sin pi n x pi n. Next, simplify ulit. Mas masimplify pa natin to get the final answer. 1/2 plus n 1 to infinity. Lalabas natin si yung common sa kanila 2 over pi n. So magiging ang maiiwan is sin pi n over 2 cos pi n x plus cos pi n sin pi n x. So this is our final answer.